In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Hostinger 2026 Easy Guide. If you've just purchased hosting and you're ready to launch your website, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the fastest, simplest way to get WordPress up and running, even if you have zero technical experience. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Head to hostinger.com and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your main account dashboard. Click on websites to see all the domains and hosting plans connected to your account. Find the site where you want WordPress installed, then click dashboard next to that specific website. You're now in the website management area. Think of this as your control center for everything related to your domain, files, databases, emails, and app installations. On the left-hand menu, look for the website section and click Auto Installer. Hostinger's one-click installer makes this process incredibly quick and reliable. Inside the auto installer, you'll see a list of applications. Select WordPress and be sure to choose the standard WordPress option. You'll be asked for a few basic details. Enter your website title. Don't worry, you can change it later inside WordPress. Add an admin email address you actively use because you'll receive important notifications and password resets there. Create your admin username next. For security, avoid using admin. Pick something unique and not easily guessed. Then set a strong password with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider storing it in a password manager so you don't lose access. Take a moment to double check everything for accuracy. When you're ready, click Install. Hostinger will begin installing WordPress on your domain. This usually takes less than a minute. Behind the scenes, it automatically creates the database and configures the connection, so there's no manual setup required. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message that WordPress is successfully installed. To access your WordPress dashboard, go to yourdomain.com upadmin. Log in using the username and password you just created. From there, you can start customizing your site, choosing a theme, adding plugins, and creating your pages and posts. Quick recap: log into Hostinger, go to websites, open the dashboard for your domain, head to website, then auto installer, choose WordPress, fill in your site details, and click install. In just a few minutes, your site is live and ready to build. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.